Alrighty, day 5. Let's call part 1 of the Ford Ranger driver's side floor pan patch repair. So this is it, all completed, all welded in. Okay, so this is what we got, and I cleaned it up using bug and tar remover and 150 grit sandpaper along the edges. I scuffed up the panel, the metal. Basically, what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm going to throw some primer on it. Several coats of primer, and then I'll use some paint, and we'll go from there. Alright? And I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum Automotive Filler Primer, High Build Formula. And fun fact, so right here, if you line up this nozzle tip right there to this little black dot, it'll spray out a little bit better. If you guys didn't know that. See that little black dot there? Whoops. You'll see it, the black dot's right there. So anyway, here we go. I'm gonna do this one-handed. Actually, I probably should put it on a stand. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So, alright, I'm gonna just give it a go here. Freehand it, and go from there. Hopefully you guys can see this. Alright, first coat would be like a light tack coat. The reason why you do want to, so anyway, that's the first coat. The reason why you want to scuff up the metal is primer and paint doesn't adhere to shiny metal. It needs something to scuff up to. That's why I went down to 150 grit on this one, just to really clean it up, and with the bug and tar, get all the contaminants out of the metal the best I can. Granted, I'll be putting a floor mat back over this and down the road, but, you know, just give the paint something to stick to, something to keep in mind. Alright, so we'll let it dry up a little bit, and I'll come back and do, I don't know, about do like, 3 or 4 coats, just do as coats as I think is necessary. Okay, so that's number 1 done.